In this vlog, we're going to be making avocado toast. I'll show you a delicious salad idea. We're going to have some chocolate chip banana bread and a little book repair project. Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and I'm so glad you're here. We are going to make some avocado toast for breakfast. I just have a garlic Indian style flatbread that I've drizzled with some olive oil. I'm going to put it in the oven and warm it up on both sides until it's nice and soft. The next thing I'm going to do is grab an avocado and cut it up. Now, this avocado, it was kind of on its last leg, but avocados are expensive and we are not in the wasted game of food anyway. We're not about to waste any food. So I was able to go on and cut this avocado. It was very ripe, very soft, but it was delicious. It worked out just fine. Now you can put whatever toppings you like on your avocado toast. I am going to go with what I have. I had one of those small cucumbers. They are so nice, just sliced up, and they are just easy to put on your avocado toast or in a salad or use in any kind of way. And I'm also going to put some fresh washed cilantro. I just gave it a rough chop so that I can sprinkle that over the top of my avocado toast. Once the bread was heated up through and nice and toasty warm, I put the avocado on top and I just used a fork to better spread it into a nice even layer on top of my bread. Then I'm going to top it with my sliced cucumber and, of course, my fresh chopped cilantro. Adding some onion, green onion to this, or sliced tomato would be delicious. Bean sprouts would be great, or alfalfa sprouts. All kinds of things go great on avocado toast. I'm choosing to put a little smoked paprika. I like it for the color and I like the smoky taste that it gives, along with a little sea salt to bring out those flavors even better, and a good squeeze of lemon juice. Now, you could also use a lime or other sriracha or any other kind of zestiness you want to put on top. And it was so good and so easy. And it really is enough for breakfast or a brunch or a lunch. Now, what are we going to do with those bananas? The best thing to do with ripe bananas is make some banana bread. And I'll post the link to the recipe we used below.
And look what I stir in. I stir some sugar.
What else?
And some flour.
And what else?
And sugar.
And what else?
Baking powder.
Yeah.
And we put that.
Baking soda. So then we filled our muffin tins. I pulled out these Valentine papers. They were a little too big, so I had to use a hack by cutting them down the side and a little bit across the bottom so they would fit. Now we have our little chefs on the scene. Got to give our chocolate chips a hug. Plop it in there. Bloop. All right, now add the sugar.
Too much?
All of it. And once we had combined all of the ingredients, we popped these in the oven. It was such a fun way to spend an afternoon with my grandchildren. So we're working on fixing our book.
Yes.
What is that you have there? Is that a snail?
Yes.
Did you make this face?
Yes.
That's beautiful. That's perfect. Do we want to take a look at the page it's going to go on?
Yeah.
Okay, show the people what we're doing. We're going to fix your pop-up book because this snail,
Carol,
this is the snail,
got her.
and it got torn off of here underneath right there, right?
Yeah.
We're using this as her model. Here at the end of the book, we have a picture of Daisy the snail, and this is what we used to make our Daisy the snail.
Yep.
Like
Table right here, there.
Right, we're gonna fix it so that it looks back like it did as a pop-up book, right?
It is. We can't see her whole.
Here, you can do it. Let's tape it on here.
Okay.
Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, open it up and show us. Oh, she popped out! Good job, Amanda. That is excellent. And now we have one of the first salads that I made with my Trader Joe's haul. It came together so easily. It was just yummy with this arugula and herb salad greens with our petite tomatoes, baby corn, small cucumbers, the cumin and parsley chickpeas, and some more fresh cilantro on top. And I just made a simple salad dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and sea salt. Yum. Okay, so it's tea time. Today it's one of those days when I just really felt a need to have restoration tea. This is my nettle and oat straw blend. I think I added a few extra herbs and spices to it. So we're just gonna pour that up for today. And then we're just gonna have some of we had a little bit of muffin batter left over. So I just poured it into a cake pan so that we would have, this is the chocolate chip banana muffin cake that the kids made. And it really turned out delicious. So now it's the perfect thing, I think, to go with this tea. It's just a thin little cake. It was so tasty. It really turned out good. That's a simple tea time for today. Yum. So that about does it for this vlog. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, then like this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this. I hope that you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.